Youth justice workers from Conway and Denbighshire have been utilising the unearthing box in order to help young people begin to express themselves.
The unearthing box is basically a box that looks to unearth the young person's kind of inner goals for the future, but also gives them some kind of problem solving tools as well they will need to get through life. When we first looked at the box, we looked at it from kind of linear perspective. They started at the front, doing the picture, identifying themselves, and then working through all the key areas, which finally led to the final bit, which looks at what they would like for the future. And then we realised that not everyone was kind of used to working in a linear order, or it didn't really meet all the young people. So we looked at pulling the book apart. So for some young people, we use the cards in sessions, and they have a specific problem that they bring into the session, or they've had a specific situation. We'll use the cards, and then the young person will go away perhaps and do the artwork by themselves. It's quite a personal thing at home to kind of reflect. And I think that's what the box looks at, really, how to understand yourself and the world you're in, look at how others may see you, and try and appreciate other people and what their feelings and how that might affect a situation. Sometimes what we do is we use these to see what they'd actually like to do in life, what they would always like to have a go at. And we're quite lucky that we have a deter officer here, so we're able to actually make some of those things happen if they really want to do it. Obviously, if they want to be an astronaut, that's quite time limited in Conway and Denbighshire. But if they want to go and play pool, horse ride, we had one young girl who did horse riding through the book. We can make that happen for them. And it often develops a sense of identity. I think that's what we're trying to get them to associate as an individual, which is quite difficult when you're part of a group. And they have very much a good group identity, but not an individual identity.
Through creating artwork about the things each person enjoys doing, the unearthing box enables a rapport to be built quickly and naturally between the young person and the practitioner.
The results from it they range quite dramatically, from getting to the end of the book and somebody realising what actually they want to do with their life, which is quite a groundbreaking discovery, to just actually sitting down with a member of staff, because for some of our young people that's quite difficult to actually sit down, talk openly about things that are going on in their lives. What it does is it puts the practitioner at the same level as the young person. You mirror each other. It's really important that whoever's doing the book does the book alongside the young person. It's not something that's done in isolation. They have to do it together, and they share the answers together. And I think that's where the best results have come out, that actually some young people have started talking. And for some of our young people, actually sitting down and talking is quite a hard thing to do, because they know it could be the start of a very long journey where they're going to have to talk about themselves.